Hello everyone and welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. A lot can change in just 1 week, and today's visit proves exactly that. From rapid facade installation and major compression ring progress to renewed activity on the diamond structures, important developments are now visible across multiple areas of the stadium. Trust me, what we're about to show you today is truly remarkable. Some of the latest changes are among the most exciting we've seen in recent weeks. Let's get straight into today's update. One of the biggest developments can be seen in the south goal sector, where a large number of decorative lamas were installed over the past day. The transformation is immediately noticeable. Only a small section remains unfinished, and this area is now looking much closer to its final appearance. From the panoramic viewpoint, the scale of the progress becomes even clearer. Compared to previous visits, facade installation has advanced at an impressive pace. If work continues at this rate, the first terrace perimeter could soon be fully covered, bringing the stadium another step closer to its finished look. Beyond the completed sections, crews continue preparing additional areas for future facade installation. Support structures and mounting brackets are visible throughout the lower levels, particularly around the mobility cores. Large quantities of construction materials remain stored nearby, including compression ring components, pillars, and structural elements. These materials will support the next stages of work as construction advances around the stadium. While questions remain about the stadium's reopening timeline, the overall project continues moving steadily forward. Facade installation remains highly active. Another lama was installed in less than 15 minutes, highlighting the impressive pace of work. Construction is also progressing inside the stadium, particularly in the future restroom and hospitality areas. Concrete block walls continue rising across multiple sections. Several spaces are now beginning to reveal door openings and internal layouts, providing a clearer glimpse of how these areas will eventually serve supporters. The compression ring continues moving forward at an encouraging pace. Recent tests have confirmed that Tower Crane 2 can successfully install compression ring segments in these demanding areas. With additional supports and temporary structures already prepared, crews now have everything in place to continue expanding the ring. According to information shared by workers on site, the current objective is to complete the entire compression ring by the end of September. Once that milestone is reached, attention will eventually shift toward the tension ring and the next phases of roof construction. Inside the seating bowl, finishing works continue advancing across multiple sections. The most visible activity can currently be seen in the south goal sector, where workers are still applying sealants between the seating rows. The coming months should bring several key developments across the seating bowl, progressing section by section, with every new installation bringing the roof structure closer to completion. Additional facade panels were being lifted and installed during the visit, leaving only a handful of lamas to complete this particular south goal section. The installation process is moving quickly, and this area could be fully covered within a very short time. Across the sector, support frames and mounting structures are already in place, creating a clear picture of how the finished exterior will look. One of the most interesting developments can be seen along the lateral side of the stadium, where work on the diamond structures has intensified again. Crews were removing excess concrete around reinforcement points for a future diamond wall, indicating that another construction phase is about to begin. After months of limited activity in this area, the return of diamond construction is a significant milestone. Further along the lateral section, another diamond structure has advanced considerably. Formwork has now been installed, preparing the structure for future concrete work. This progress is particularly important because many of these diamond foundations had remained untouched for a long period. With summer construction now fully underway, the remaining diamond structures are finally moving forward again. The corner section has also seen substantial progress. New formwork and structural elements have appeared, while previously completed concrete sections continue moving into the next construction phase. Another positive sign is the reduced number of compression ring components stored at ground level. This suggests that many of the segments have already been lifted and installed above, reflecting the steady advancement of roof construction. Meanwhile, Facade installation in nearby sectors is also approaching completion, with only small gaps remaining in several areas. Coming back down to the ground level now, the fan stands at the diamond area are complete, and what they represent goes far beyond a structural achievement. They represent a philosophy, a commitment on the part of FC Barcelona to ensure that the Camp Nou experience is not exclusive to the fortunate thousands who hold a ticket. This is what genuinely great stadium design looks like. Not just the 100,000 inside, but the thousands outside who love this club just as fiercely. The Camp Nou is building toward being the stadium that creates the best fan experience in the entirety of Europe. And the completed diamond area stands are a powerful and permanent expression of that ambition. They are done. They are beautiful. And they are ready to welcome the Keulers who need them most. And with live screens showing the match happening inside, those fans outside are not going to feel excluded. They are going to feel part of something. Part of the Camp Nou community. Part of the matchday story, even from beyond the walls of the stadium. At the north goal, deliveries of additional compression ring components continue arriving on site. Large structural pieces, pillars, and support elements were visible as crews prepared future installations. Workers remain active on the compression ring itself, fitting safety barriers and preparing upcoming segments. As construction progresses deeper into this area, the ring is becoming increasingly visible from the surrounding pedestrian zones. While facade panels have not yet been installed in some north goal sections, significant progress is being made on the support infrastructure. Workers were tightening anchors and preparing mounting systems that will eventually hold the lamas. Several lifting platforms were operating throughout the area, showing that preparations for future facade installation remain a priority. Near the transition between the north goal and the main stand, crews have completed additional support structures for future lamas. Upper and middle mounting levels are already in place, while lower sections are still being prepared. Various work teams were active throughout the area, carrying out finishing tasks and structural preparations. Large quantities of materials remain stored nearby, ensuring construction can continue without interruption. The main stand sector continues to be one of the busiest areas on site. Workers were carrying out tasks around the sandwich panel installations, while additional materials and equipment remained positioned throughout the construction zone. A new escalator has also arrived on site, joining other recently delivered units. These installations are an important part of the stadium's future circulation system and represent another step toward interior completion. Inside the main stand, workers continue advancing various finishing activities. Pipe installations have extended further across the structure, while teams were also seen working beneath the first cantilever section. Additional lama support structures are waiting on the ground for installation, particularly in areas where facade preparation is still underway. The amount of simultaneous activity highlights the scale of work currently taking place across this part of the stadium. Near the store diamond area, construction teams have removed barriers, glass panels, and stored materials that previously restricted visibility. This cleanup provides a much clearer view of the interior construction zones and will make it easier to follow future progress in the coming months. A large quantity of glazing materials and door frames remain stored nearby, ready for installation when required. Overall, significant progress continues across the project. Facade installation is advancing rapidly, the compression ring keeps expanding, and work on the diamond structures is gaining momentum. With construction moving at full speed, even more visible changes are expected in the weeks ahead as Spotify Camp Nou moves closer to its next major milestones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.